Hello students, welcome to EduFunday. I am your chemistry mentor for the chapter Hydrogen and its Compounds, and today we're gonna discuss the topic Introduction of Hydrogen. Can you answer these questions? And the first question is, what is the symbol of hydrogen? How it is represented? Capital H is the symbol of hydrogen. And next question is, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? In the periodic table, you must be knowing that hydrogen is placed at position 1. So, the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Next question is, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Just like its atomic number, it is having atomic mass of 1.008 units. Hydrogen. The word hydrogen is made of two words, hydro and gen, out of which hydro is a Greek word which means water and gen means former. So hydrogen completely means former of water, or we can say producer of water. Next, let us discuss the history of hydrogen. There was a scientist named Henry Cavendish, and hydrogen was first prepared by Henry Cavendish in 1766. And what he did? He did the reaction of sulfuric acid with iron, and the gas released during the reaction, he named that gas as inflammable air. Next, Antony Lavoisier named that inflammable air as hydrogen because that inflammable air was used to produce water. And we know that what is hydrogen? It is the producer of water. What are the interesting facts about hydrogen? Let us see. Hydrogen or protium does not contain neutrons. Hydrogen or protium. What is protium? Which is having atomic number and atomic mass as 1. And what are number of neutrons? How can we find it? It is equal to mass number by minus atomic number. And mass number जो है hydrogen का, that is 1. And atomic number is also 1 for hydrogen. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is why hydrogen does not contain neutrons, as it is having just 1 electron and 1 proton, as you can see in the diagram. Next is, in elemental form, it exists as a diatomic molecule and is called as dihydrogen. जो nascent hydrogen होता है, that is very reactive, and that is why in elemental form hydrogen exists as diatomic molecule, and which is named as dihydrogen. So this is H2, this is the structure of H2, or we can say this is dihydrogen. From where we can find or we can get the free form of hydrogen, that is free form of hydrogen means nascent hydrogen, and we can get those free form of hydrogen atoms from volcanic gases. जब volcano burst करता है, then lots and lots of different types of gases gets released, and among those gases hydrogen is one of them. Now, can you tell me some diatomic molecules? Yes? Some examples of diatomic molecules are oxygen, O2, chlorine, Cl2, bromine Br2, nitrogen N2. And just like these diatomic molecules, hydrogen also exists as diatomic molecule, which is known as dihydrogen H2. That's all for this topic. Thanks for watching.